carry case with a handle, so you can just throw it over your shoulder and take it down to the beach. It's really lightweight, really sturdy, and I really like how it has the removable hook here where you can hang your keys, you can hang a bag, your hat, a speaker. It's really great so your stuff doesn't get sandy or wet while you're at the beach. The ventilation system of this is really nice. It lets a lot of air through, which helps your umbrella not to blow over on those windy days. It's really sturdy underneath. We were actually out at the beach yesterday, and it was really, really windy, and this umbrella held up really great. I love the colors of this. Really easy to put in. So what you do, it comes with this little hole, and you simply stick it in, and you will just turn it around, and it comes with the peg on the bottom, so it goes in the sand really easy. Really great product, guys. Hop on Amazon and check this out.